after 3 months yata noon ay ginagastusan pa rin ako ng insurance. Sila pa rin nagbabayad. Pati yung nurse na dumadalaw sa akin ay sagot na. And then after yata kasi nanganak ako ng October, November, December, end na yon. Look, just jump in the water hose and relax swimming. Oh look, it's really cold. It's really cold. It's not yet summer. Actually my hands is freezing. So yun yung ikalawang benefits na na-experience ko. Yung subsidies ko na natanggap ko, yung panganganak ko na libre. And then nung nanganak ako, 'di ba ang bata dito ay may natatanggap din na subsidies. So yung anak ko sumasahod buwan-buwan yun. Joke na. Look, you speak Tagalog, ah. So my daughter also receiving a subsidy. So it's okay if I pay a huge amount of tax because there is a good benefit here, and they help also really people who have no work and poor. They give how do you call, so there is a nice social program, social system. They help people. I know a lot of people here who doesn't have work, and they provide the apartment. You don't live somewhere like a street, on the street. No, the example, if you are citizen, Bash Abdullah, thank you. Kapag if you are citizen here, you go to the social system, and they, how do you call it, social, basta may social siya. And then they provide the apartment for you. They pay the apartment for you direct to the owner. It doesn't go to your hands. They pay directly to the owner of the house, and then you will have also like you will receive little subsidies. So yun ang kagandahan nun. Sa Pilipinas, yun ang ano, di ba nung COVID ay maraming nawalan ng trabaho, maraming nag-stop na mga company. Ay yung school namin, nag-close siya ng 6 months. And syempre, sumasahod kami ng full-time na hindi yata full-time, parang 90%. Hindi siya, ang alam ko, hindi full-time. Hindi ko matandaan kung full-time. Basta, yung time na yon nung nagkaroon ng COVID, maliit pa yung anak ko, nakasave ako ng malaki kasi bukod sa hindi na ako kumuha ng yaya, ay hindi ako namamasaya araw-araw pumunta ng trabaho, naalagaan ko yung anak ko, na-enjoy ko talaga yung moment na yon, yung maliit pa siya. So parang naging maganda yung yung dating ng COVID sa akin. Dahil nagkaroon kami ng banding ng anak ko nung baby pa siya. Instead na ipaalaga ko sa iba, ako yung nag-alaga. And then nakasave pa ako sa yaya. 'Di ba, sumasahod pa sa bahay na kahit wala kaming work. Sa Pilipinas walang ganoon yung hindi ka yung nung COVID na may sahod sila, meron silang nagtatrabaho sila sa bahay yata. Home base, parang mga ganon. May sahod ka man pero home base work, ganon. Pero sa amin walang as in walang work, sumasahod kami. Katatapos ko lang yun noon na kasi kumuha ko ng maternity leave September, October, November, December. October, October. Yeah, 4 months, and then bumalik ako after 2 months ako nag-work, and then nandun na yung COVID. SSC TV, thank you so much. So ang haba yung time ko na sumasahod na walang work, di ba? Wow, host is good, busy talking. Yeah. After 1 hour I'll be tired. So I'll bring you now there to the castle because soon in 1 hour I need to go back to my work. I'll bring you to the castle. Look, the Great. Have you visited the Chateau Siong? How do you call it? Siong Castle. This one. I'm bringing you there. It's maybe 10 minutes walk. It's not far from here. I need to go back soon because I'm freezing. Kaya naman, you can tell a story also in your country. Life journey, thank you. It's nice to see those trees sometimes barely no leaves, and then spring they're coming out. Ayan na yung castle. This castle is very famous here.